everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Our Funny from the 20th to the 24th of October 2025 on Monday. Thembi confront her nightmare as Andile's court battle 10 personnel. At the Sabelo's game night, rivalries, flair, and money trouble surface. Meanwhile, Kayise and Macele face raw truth behind closed doors on Tuesday. Sabelo's rage shakes Mrikna records. Thembi is forced to confront a dangerously obsessed fan, and Mam Sarah takes matters into her own hands to protect Sindiswa on Wednesday. Tsunami and Sabelo's petty battle continues. Dules and Thembi realize fame can be dangerous. Mam Sarah's chickens come home to roost on Thursday. Old feelings resurface, seductive moves are made, and troubling encounter leaves everyone on edge on Friday. Thembi's string of misfortunes ends in the worst way possible. Kayise goes snooping to confirm her suspicions about Tsunami. Sugar Basin and Sindiswa beat Claremont farewell. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.